Welcome back to my channel. My name is Luz, and today, maybe a few days ago, I made a video about solving fast as I can. But eventually I have to go to sleep. Today I will finish it all. Okay? Thank you. And enjoy the video. And also, tomorrow is 1st of September. Tomorrow I have to go to school. So things may have a little bit change. I may upload a video today. That means like 2 day one video. I may change that or even more less because I'm primary 6, or you can say I'm grade 6. It's a little bit hard when I go to primary 6 or grade 6, you can say. So things may change, but don't worry, I will tell you guys when it's really changed. So let's get started. Now I will try maybe 10 times or even 20 times. So let's get started. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, you can hit the like button down below. If you don't hit, it's fine. I really don't mind. And also, if you want to ask anything, you can ask me down in the comments. I will reply to you 100%. Maybe 90 because sometimes I'm busy. So if you don't mind, you can consider subscribing. It's free. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.